Introducing the WeeSprout glass baby food storage jars with lids, the ultimate baby essentials must-haves for convenient and safe meal prep. With this set of 12 reusable glass jars, batch prepping and storing meals for your little one has never been easier. Each jar has a capacity of 4 ounces, allowing you to make full meals or prepare snack-size portions of puree. The measurement markings on the jars ensure accurate portions, helping you create a balanced meal for your baby. These versatile containers can be used for various feeding stages. Store purees, baby food, breast milk, and more in these small glass jars with lids. They are designed to last, thanks to their thick food-grade glass construction and premium hard silicone lids. Say goodbye to flimsy materials and single-use containers. To make mealtime even more convenient, these jars are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe. You can store pre-made meals in the freezer, heat them up in the microwave, and clean them in the dishwasher for easy reuse. The lids come in 6 stylish colors: matte black, green, cream, blue, pink, and light gray. Please note that these glass jars are designed for use in the U.S. International customers may need an adapter or converter for compatibility. Product information. Package dimensions: 11.46 by 7.8 by 5.51 inches. Item weight: 5.27 pounds. Manufacturer: WeeSprout, ASIN B0BBY5816Q. Item model number: GSJ22. Customer reviews: 4.8 out of 5 stars, 15,913 ratings. Best sellers rank: number 698 in baby. See top 100 in baby. Number 5 in baby food storage containers. Date first available: August 25, 2022. Capacity: 4 ounces. Volume: 4 fluid ounces. Item weight: 5.27 pounds. Units: 1.0 count. Number of sets: 2. Invest in these WeeSprout glass baby food storage jars with lids and enjoy the convenience of meal prep and storage for your little one. Order now through the following short link. End of content.